Your vehicle is equipped with a tire pressure monitoring system that is designed to display the air pressure of each tire while driving. The sensors will start to display the individual pressures within a few minutes of driving. The tire pressure monitoring system allows you to see the correct tire pressure and also warns you if the pressure gets too low. When the system detects that one or more of the tire's air pressure is low, the tire pressure indicator will come on and the display will indicate which tire or tires need more air pressure. Here are a few tips to maintain your vehicle's tires and air pressure. Monitor your tire pressure periodically, once a week for example, by viewing the tire pressure monitoring system display in the instrument cluster after driving your vehicle for a short distance. Please be aware that tires naturally can lose 1 to 2 psi per month, especially if your vehicle is not driven regularly. Note also that tire pressures can fluctuate with temperature, so that it is always best to check the tire pressures after you first start driving your vehicle. Check to make sure your tires are inflated according to the information placard located on the driver's side door jamb on your vehicle.